YouTube TV is officially available only in the United States. If you want to access it from another country or change your location for testing, there's a workaround using VPNs. Here's how to do it safely. Step 1. Choose a reliable VPN service that supports US servers. Premium VPNs like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or Surfshark work best. Step 2. Install the VPN app on your device, mobile, computer, Fire Stick, Roku, via router, or Smart TV. Step 3. Open the VPN and connect to a US server. Select a location near your home area if you want to access local channels. Step 4. Open YouTube TV. You may need to clear your app cache or browser cookies, so YouTube TV detects the new location. On mobile, close and reopen the app. On desktop, refresh the page. Step 5. Sign in with your Google account linked to YouTube TV. The app should now show content as if you are in the United States. Step 6. For local channels, remember, you must connect to your real home area at least once every 90 days. VPNs cannot fully bypass this restriction. Using this trick allows access to YouTube TV while traveling abroad or testing features from another country. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.